Yung breakfast ko ngayon ay Puto-Maya. Merong tsokolate. Okay? Papakita ko sa iyo anong ginawa kong Puto-Maya at paano ginawa. Okay? Sundan natin o simulan natin ang pagluto ng Puto-Maya using Salad Master. Okay? Here's my Puto-Maya for my breakfast. Ito yung preparation. Lutuin mo muna yung sweet rice. 5 cups lang ang lulutuin ko. And then unting water and then slow fire. Okay? Water that's just above the sweet rice. Okay, ito na yung malapit ng maluto na sweet rice. Parang nagluluto ka ng kanin. Okay, so parang half cook lang siya kasi lulutuin ko pa sa coconut milk mamaya. So I'm ready with my coconut oil and my ginger. Okay, alright. I think this is almost over and this is ready for cooking. So I have here, this is Salad Master oil core. So I put this on and I would like to put this one to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this will start to warm. Okay. So I was ready with my this is sugar. It's almost one cup of sugar. I have my ginger ready. Perhaps this is just like 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 can of coconut milk. So I just make ready with some salt that I can use, and also with this pure vanilla extract. Okay, so we can observe that this is slowly heating up. You see that? Okay. So this is slowly heating up. Okay, I can start pouring this. Coconut oil. It's a coconut milk rather. Okay. So I can use my and I can put my sugar. So that's almost a cup of sugar, like 8 to 9 ounces, or 8 ounces, 7 or 6 ounces, right? 6 to 7 ounces. Okay. 8 ounces is 1 cup, so almost 1 cup. You want a little bit sweeter, then make it 9 ounces or more than a cup for 1 cup. Okay. Alright, now I can put salt here. I will not put a lot. Perhaps this is just 1/3 of, or say 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, this is 1/2 tablespoon, and for my ginger, I say perhaps I won't put too much. Okay, just like 1/2 tablespoon of ginger. Now, I also have vanilla extract. Okay. So perhaps I just put like a little drop there. Okay. So just to give a taste of it. Okay. So it's just slowly heating up. Okay, this check. So this is already heating up. Okay, so once this was boiling already, so once this is boiling, I will be moving this sweet rice, half-cooked sweet rice to here. Okay, so we'll transfer that to your coconut milk mixed with sugar, ginger, salt, and vanilla. Okay, so this coconut milk with a mixture of sugar, salt, ginger, and vanilla is already boiling. Now it's time for me to transfer my cooked sweet rice. I have to move this one a little bit. I already put this one off a little while ago because I don't want to have this one overcooked. Okay, so now with the boiling coconut milk, okay, then I will start putting this one like this. That's how I do. Okay, so I already transferred all the sweet rice to here, and I would like to mix this one up well. Now you have to cover this. Okay, it's the salad master oil core, and this is 12-inch. Okay, cooking rice too. You don't do anything. You wait until it becomes say the normal, it's like off, but with the heating temperature on it. Okay, so we will look at this one again in a moment and what's going on with the time. So it has already slowly start cooking in terms of rice to set it. We'll come back later. And tomorrow I'll be cooking chocolate with Puto-Maya.